Hello students, welcome back to my channel Trivishaclasses. In today's class, I am going to teach you how to write a letter. So before writing a letter, first of all, you must know what is a letter. A letter is something that is written, that is a message that is written to someone. Okay, a letter is a message that is written to someone to convey the message. Okay, so today I am going to teach you about informal letter. Okay, how to write a informal letter. So what is informal letter? Informal letter is a letter that is written to your friends, to your relatives, okay, and it is also known as personal communication. The communication that you do with personal is known as informal letter, the letter which you write to your friends, to your relatives. Okay, now let's see. Come. The question is, write a letter to your father asking for money to purchase books. I am going to tell you what is the format of the letter, how the letter should be written. The first format is always write the sender's address. Okay, sender's address means on the which address you have to send. So sender's address you can write 27 Anand Vihar, Lucknow. Okay, listen students, one thing, it is not necessary that you have to write the real address. Even you can write any address that is known to you. So you have to write first sender's address. Okay, I have written here 27 Anand Vihar, Lucknow. After that you have to write the date. Okay, date you can, on which day you are writing the letter. On which day you are writing a letter, on that day you have to write the date. You have to mention the date in your letter. Okay, now next, after that, sender's address is done, date is done. After that you have to write the salutation. Okay, salutation, it means that you have to write dear friend, you have to mention that name. As the question mentioned here, you have to write the letter to your father. So I have written here, my dear father, which is known as salutation. Okay, so students, till here it is clear to you. Okay, the first format is that you have to write the sender's address. After that you have to write the date on which day you are writing, and after that you have to write the salutation, which you can mention your friend's name, whatever the question is mentioned. Here the question is mentioned, write a letter to your father. So I have written here, my dear father. After that you have to write the body. Okay, in body means what? Whatever the question is asked. The question is asked, asking, write a letter to your father asking for money to purchase books. Okay, you have to write a letter to your father for asking the money for purchasing the books. So the body is here. You can just look, have a look. You will be glad to know that I have stood first in my class. Okay, I got distinction in English and mathematics. Now I am in class 4th. Okay, next, I need some money to purchase some new books. Please send me 600 rupees. So body, you have to write the message, what the message you want to give. Okay, you have to write the full message. You can write in short also. As you can see, I have written here. I will repeat it again. You, dear, from here, 27 Anand Vihar, Lucknow, 1st October 2023. My dear father, you will be glad to know that I have stood first in my class. I got distinction in English and mathematics. Now I am in class 4th. I need some money to purchase some new books. Please send me 600 rupees. After that, you have to write complimentary closing. Okay, What is complimentary clause? Complimentary clause, you can mention your loving son. Okay, as the father's son is writing the letter to his father, so he has written here your loving son, and after that you have to write your name and signature. Okay, I hope this informal letter video is very helpful to you and it is clear to you. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to write the sender's address. After that you have to write the date. After that you have to write the salutation. Then the body of the message of the letter, body, that is message that you have to convey. And after that, complimentary clause, that is your loving friend, your loving son, whatever is asked. And at the last you have to write your name and your signature. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed watching my video. So please do like, comment, subscribe, share, and do not forget to click on the bell icon to get the further notification. Bye everyone.